Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Akhil here, and in today's video we are going to learn a very important question that has been asked by people whenever you meet with people, whenever you are going somewhere. At that time they ask this question, that is, what are you doing? Right now, what are you doing? You are watching my video. So this is very general question, and most of the time people ask this question from you. Then how will you reply? So guys, in today's video we are going to learn how to reply answer of this particular question, that is, what are you doing? If you will ask, what are you doing? I will reply, I am teaching. So are you understanding, guys? I hope so you have understood. Now we are going to learn the way of giving answer of this particular question. This is very special question. This is very important question, and you are not going to save for yourself from asking this question by people. They will definitely ask you, what are you doing? So guys, let's start the video. So guys, I have written here how to give answers when someone asks you, what are you doing? So guys, I have written here 5 expressions how to reply answer of this particular question. You can start your answer by saying, I am doing, I am doing, I am doing my homework, I am doing my homework. You can also say, I am doing the dishes, I am doing the dishes. Now you will have to understand, guys, what is the meaning of dishes. Doing the dishes. Dishes means washing utensils. Washing utensils. When you eat food, at that time, afterwards you will have to wash the utensils. That is called the dishes. I am doing the dishes. And if somebody is going to ask you, what are you doing? I am doing a job. What are you doing? I am doing PhD. I am doing BSc. I am doing MBA. You can give answer according to your position. So guys, now you can also reply in second expression. I am learning. What are you doing? I am learning English. What are you doing? I am learning French. What are you doing? I am learning Russian. So guys, there are many expressions you can give answer with the help of this particular expression. I am learning. I am learning Hindi. I am learning English. Right now what are you doing? You are learning English. Okay guys. Now the third expression is, suppose guys you are driving. You are driving car. Okay. And if somebody is calling you, hey, what are you doing? What are you doing? You can reply in this way. I am driving a car. And you will just drop the call. Because you are driving a car and simultaneously you are talking and you are driving a car. So this is not good. Okay, you should drop the call immediately. Yes, so if somebody is going to ask you, what are you doing? I am driving a car. What are you doing? I am driving a bus. What are you doing? I am driving a truck. Now, here also, if you are making something and if somebody is going to ask you, what are you doing? I am making food. What are you doing? I am making chapati. What are you doing? I am making tea. What are you doing? I am making coffee. So there are a lot of expressions you can use with the help of this particular word. You can give the answer according to the situation. So what are you doing? I told you about this. If somebody is going to ask you, what are you doing? I am watching movie. What are you doing? I am watching news. What are you doing? I am watching cartoon. What are you doing? I am watching English video. So guys, this is the fifth expressions, and there are many expressions like this. You can reply if somebody is going to ask you this particular question. This is what are you doing? So this is the way. This is the way of learning English. You will start learning English by learning these expressions. These expressions will help you to improve your English speaking. These expressions will help you to be fluent in English. So this is the initial stage. This is the starting. This is the starting of learning any language. This question is looking very easy for you, but this question is really very important for people, for learners who has been started learning English. So guys, keep remember that whenever somebody is going to ask you this particular question, what are you doing, you can give answer. You can choose any one of them according to the situation. So guys, I hope you liked my video, you enjoyed this particular session, you enjoyed this topic, and I will be coming up with new videos and I will be talking about new topics. Until then guys, keep learning, keep studying, and guys, if you liked my video, then please do not forget to subscribe my channel, do comment, do share, and I will meet you in the next video. Until then, goodbye.